spoil nito.
It's another form of rice, honey.
Wow, sarap ng rice na to.
Wow. Malagkit na malagkit.
Mahina pala si Bebe. Mahina rin si Daddy. Hindi pa ubos ang
fish.
ang sashimi.
Nagbibideo ako eh.
Sorry. I know, I'm trying to enjoy it. I'm trying to save it.
Ang sarap itong ano? Dami ko pa be. Baka gusto mo.
No, sa'yo yan.
How's the rice? That's oh, sticky.
Oishi.
Oishi.
Oh, this is really sticky, huh?
It's sticky red rice.
Look at that. I love that.
Look at the glass.
I like it. Very good.
Ano yun? Wow. Ano pa yun?
I think it's money.
Wow. Ito po, matakaw-takaw din po itong bata. Ito pong batang ito, walang ganang kumain. Kailangan po niya ng kailangan po niya ng vitamins para makakain.
No, it's just hard to.
Like malagkit ano.
Good though.
Baby, ah?
At talagang kakainin ng dahon. Ay, siya.
Lovely. Sticky rice, oh?
Baby, ay, dyan pala yung pabasangan ng kuwan.
Look at that.
Oh. There's more.
That's it?
In the back? Maybe? I don't know. I'm not sure.
Hindi, lagyan mo lang dyan yan.
Ano?
Ay, ikaw lang sasalin. Ah, sige.
Oh, no.
Kaya?
Na masyadong malapad yung... Oh, ano ba yung hawakan na yun? Ano yun?
Yan, dyan mo.
Oh, oy, ganun pala yun.
That's what it is, huh?
So cute.
Tama na yan, be.
Tapos tingnan mo ang likod, oh. Oh, look at the...
Kalamoy ko na, no?
Tapos...
Ito pa
How
isa.
did they build this?
Oh, may ice doon sa butas.
May ice yan.
Ang ganda, Jet, kasi para malamig. Tapos yun yung... Ang cute naman itong kuwan na to. Ito, oh.
Don't put my sock out.
Ah, dali.
Cute.
Bebe, cheers.
Wow, kampal.
Kampay.
Oh, that's where they get out.
Sarap. Hindi naman siya matapang pala, ano?
It's local sweet.
Parang sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet na sa akin.
No, because you could choose. That's why I wanted you guys to try a thing.
Alam mo naman ako, hindi naman kami umiinom ni
It was
Daddy.
sweet. I got sweet because I know you guys would like
Hindi
it.
naman kami umiinom.
This is a gift for our anniversary. And this is a gift for Jet's birthday. Congratulations. And this is
What is this?
for Mommy's
Birthday, yun ang congratulations.
This is congratulations for Jet. For being a Misuhu executive.
Bebe, anong vegetable to?
Kalimutan na.
Kinain natin to sa tour na may Lotus.
What's a lotus?
Yeah,
Like the pool?
ganyan ang lotus. Ah, may naglulot. Supak daw ito. Ano yung verde na yun? Parang pagkain ito.
Kamay na ba? Hindi niya kinukuha.
Oh,
Yes. Why are you using your chocolate? Oh.
ang bango. Ang bango. Ang bango po.
Which one? The fish or what fish is this? Salt grilled sweet fish. What is sweet fish?
Ang sarap. Sariwa.
Parang tinapa siya, no?
Inihaw.
Ihaw. Fresh na fresh, ano?
Hindi ka na po of the bone.
Look at this, oh. Wow.
Actually, from now on, I only want to eat fish on steak. Okay, every time you serve me fish.
Yeah, I will put the dried tuyo in a stick
Ang lata.
so that you will eat the piniritong tuyo.
Oh, I forgot to use the vinegar.
Alam mo, baby, ang mga inihaw na isda sa Mindoro, ang bango nun. Kasi sariwa, tapos iihawin, kahit prito. Pagka ni Abigail ay nagpiprito ng galunggong, sarap kasi sariwa. Oh, I love this. Wow! You're not drinking your sake.
Yeah, just want a little.
I love this. Tansan.
It's actually good.
I love sparkling water.
Sarap, oh. Ito suka, oh. Sarap nung ka. Vinegar.
Sarap ang vinegar, hindi sa acidic. Yung pala mga mumurahing vinegar, yung pala yung isang drum na tubig, tapos ilang drop lang daw din nung artificial. Yung mga suka ng mga mumurahing itinitinda sa mga tindahan. Hindi pala magandang suka yun. Mga kuwan pala yun, mga artificial acid.
Why is my thing? I suck.
Oh no, what happened to...
Oh no, sorry, this is yours.
Ayan sa'yo.
Kana.
May laman pa yun sa'yo, anak.
Ayan o, ang sayo.
I know, no. I'm good, thank you.
Oh,
I thought it was, sorry. I didn't see
what
it.
happened to the flowers?
Alam mo yung bebing laman niya. Kwan yan? May nagbubunga yan eh, masarap din. Pwedeng kainin yan.
No.
It's not.
Masarap ng
Ang
pagkain.
sakit, hindi makakakuha ng tapang.
Thank you, Jejet. Congratulations for being a Miso executive.
We will talk to Ate Linda.
I'm an executive.
Ay, pakita mo kay Kwan na binisita mo yung one of the branches in Osaka. In St. Regis, on front of St. Regis. Sabihin mo kay Ate Linda.
Did Ate Linda been to Japan?
I'm not sure.
Wow. The fish is so good. I love it. Yeah.
Number 6.
The fish, I eat all the bones. That's good. Thank you. Wow. The meat.
エッグプラントに味噌ですね。ジャパニーズ味噌。 失礼いたします。
Okay.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Egg eggplant dressed with sweet miso paste.
Wow.
Simmered wild duck long.
Oh.
This is duck.
Ito, meat na ano. Wow, be. Look at the meat.
Duck.
Duck.
This
Wow.
is big eggplant. Miso.
Wow,
There's some sweetened miso paste.
Wow. Sweetened.
How was it?
Ang lasa ng duck.
How was it? Wild duck long.
Wow. Oh, this is half. Oh, this is
Tamis.
half. This is half. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Half pala ito.
What do you mean half? Oh, it's half. Take the box. Oh my god.
Lovely.
Oh, this is milk. I recognize this one.
Look at that.
Wow.
Baby. How are you, baby? Look at mine. Wow. Look at this. What? Anong putas yun?
Eggplant.
Pero ang sarap ano? With duck. Look at that.
I wonder how they made this miso paste. Sweet and miso.
Tunda ko. Dala, gusto mo ng duck ko?
Give it to me. Thank you. Jack, baka gusto mo duck.
Wow, mayroon yung
Love it.
asparagus.
What's your favorite?
Ang sarap ng asparagus. Duck. Anong eggplant? I love it. Look at that. It's oozing with freshness. Oh my goodness. Love it.
Ayoko na ng duck. Busog na ako.
You.
Ay, duck pala. Hindi, no, not
Oh,
duck. The eggplant. Dali gusto mo eggplant?
Ang maganda din eh.
Some more, please.
Wow! No.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Can I be a dual citizen? U.S. and Japanese?
No.
No.
Because you're not. Ano nga, Daddy? Kaya ni Kuya. Kung pwede siyang mag-dual na British at American.
I don't know. Pero sa kuna, ano ko, ang batas nila?
I'm not sure. Let me look at dual. Good.
Can a Filipino-born citizen
Become a US.
be a US citizen and Japanese citizen?
No. British.
Ah. Ang Japanese natin, hindi nagsisitizen ng coronavirus.
Wala.
Can I open this?
Yeah. Mamaya, yan be. Pero open mo
Both
na.
the UK and US allow dual citizenship, so Americans who would like to apply for British citizenships are able to maintain both citizenships.
Ah, pwede
yes.
pala. Uy, ang ganda.
What is it?
It's a wallet.
Oh,
Wow.
that's good. So I can keep, that's where I can keep my cash.
This is mine. This is not yours.
Are they not the same? I think they're all the same.
This is mine. This is mine alone.
Mine is different. Sarap ng eggplant. Parang ako ang panalo ah.
Ay, cool. May dessert pa.
Ilan pa darating?
May darating pa. Oh, babe, puputok na yung tiyan ko. Piece of paste.
Pakita natin.
May dessert.
Kabila pa mahal. Yan na. Kabila pa mahal.
I know what I'm gonna get. With the Jason.
Ano yung uling kinan?
Ah,
Grilled fish, shikachan,
eto.
sikazana.
Baked eggplant dressed with sweetened miso paste, simmered wild duck loin. Baby red. Biggest of the sack.
Ah, ilan pa darating? Ang dami pa? Ang zoo.
Yeah.